Hello everyone, this video will show you how to install Apache Maven and create simple Kotlin application using Apache Maven. First, make sure you already install Java Oracle or OpenJDK. If you don't know how to install Java Oracle or OpenJDK, you can check out my other video about how to install Java Oracle or OpenJDK, link in the description. Now let's download Apache Maven. After download finish, extract it to any folder you want, but I suggest you not use space character in folder name. After extract finish, add Apache Maven bin folder to system path environment. After that, open command line and type mvn --version to check the installation. Now let's create simple Kotlin application using Apache Maven. First, point command line to any folder you want. In this example, my temporary download folder. After that, type Maven generate command, and please note for ArchetypeGroupId value must org.jetbrains.kotlin, and for value ArchetypeArtifactId must kotlin-archetype-jvm. For group ID, you can type anything you want, usually reverse domain name, and I suggest you not use space character. For artifact ID, you can type anything you want for project name. Also, I suggest you not use space character. And this command will download necessary jar file from the internet. After Apache Maven generate your Kotlin application file, now open hello.kt file, also open pom.xml file. Next, go to your command line, point command line to your Maven project, and then type mvn package. Maven will generate jar file from your Maven project. After that, run jar file with Java. As you can see, there is an error because Java could not find Kotlin libraries. Now let's fix it. Now let's add Maven assembly plugin to pom.xml file. For code Maven assembly plugin, you can see in the description. After you add Maven assembly plugin, now go to your command line and type mvm clean and then mvn package to regenerate jar file. After Maven generate your new jar file, now run jar file with dependency with Java. As you can see, now you see hello world message. Now you have success install Apache Maven and create simple Kotlin application using Apache Maven. I hope this video can help you to get started with Apache Maven or Kotlin-Maven. If you have questions, suggestions or requests, please leave it in comment below. Please hit like button if this video useful. Please subscribe for more useful video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.